Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on event planning with Eventbrite, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by identifying the type of event you want to plan. Consider your target audience and what they would enjoy. Next, set a clear budget for the event. Include all potential expenses such as venue, catering, and marketing costs. Now, visit Eventbrite's website to explore their features. Create an account if you don't already have one. Once logged in, click on the Create Event button. Fill out the basic details of your event including title, location, and date. Use the event description to clearly communicate what attendees can expect. Choose a ticketing option that suits your event. This can include free tickets, paid tickets, or donation-based pricing. Utilize Eventbrite's promotional tools to reach a wider audience. Customize your event page with eye-catching graphics and engaging content. Leverage social media to share your event and attract attendees. Consider using their email marketing features to send out invitations. Monitor your ticket sales through the Eventbrite dashboard. Keep an eye on trends to see how your event is performing. As the event approaches, use Eventbrite's tools for attendance management. Prepare for check-in by printing tickets or using their mobile app. Stay organized by having all event details in one place with Eventbrite. After the event, review your analytics for insights on success. Use this data to improve future events and save on planning costs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.